Marketing can make or break your business. It can decide your next paycheck, X number of sales, ROI, or X number of likes, fans, followers, subscribers, or watermelon. Just to give you an example, and I'm gonna use that example. How many watermelons are you gonna get at the end of the day? 1,000, 10,000? Well, these are the 5 components, stages, phases, steps that matters. If you do these 5 well, nothing can stop you. Okay? Number 1, research. Number 2, strategy. Number 3, execution. Number 4, results. Number 5, maintenance. Research. Who buy watermelon the most? Does your audience like watermelon, or they like durian or something else? What is the best time to sell watermelon? Is it in the summer? I guess so. Who buys most watermelons? What is the most consumed watermelon? Do people like fresh, ripe, or whatever? Small or big? You need to decide that. What type of watermelon competitors are selling? At what price range? So you need to decide all of those factors. Strategy. How are you gonna present, reach, target, display, show, convince, persuade your customers to buy watermelon from you? Remember the Japanese, they have a square shaped watermelon. That's one strategy. Number 3, execution. So all your watermelon advertisements, it is posted all over the city or all over the neighborhood, or durian that you are selling, is it all over the internet? Is some famous celebrity or influencer or whoever, TikToker or Instagrammer or whoever is displaying your watermelons? Hey, buy this watermelon from this guy, or this flavored watermelon. Vanilla flavored watermelon. Sounds cool but weird. Anyways, report. Which channel brings the CPA? Who sells watermelons for the cheapest price? Even though you get more, but who sells for the cheapest? For example, through YouTube ads, you get it little bit expensive, but for SEO, search engine optimization, you are only selling it for 2 cents while earning two bucks. But through YouTube ads, you are only earning 5 cents or 10 cents or whatever. But you got the idea. Maintenance. So based on all the data that you collected, like which channel is most ROI oriented, which one is more conducive, which audience set is more ready, have higher conversion rate, you can implement all those feedbacks that you have collected into maintenance, whether it is about tweaking your ad campaigns, optimizing your search preferences, search appearance, content, text, visuals, all those sort of things, your landing pages, everything goes inside that. Research, let's talk about little bit nitty gritty. Your keyword research, who searches what for watermelon, how they search it, best watermelon, cheap watermelon, top watermelon, watermelon at best prices, watermelon in 30 minutes delivery, mango flavored watermelon, whatever. TAM, total addressable market. Who is your audience? Where they reside? Is it possible that within your budget you can reach all your audience and they buy from you, not your competitors? TAM. Other things, topic research. Number 4, user intent. How and why they come to your online shop or website or blog or account or video channel. Why? Are they researching about watermelons? How many types of watermelons are in the world? Or are they comparing watermelon vendor A versus watermelon vendor B comparison? 3, is it transactional? Buy watermelon immediately, or watermelon with PayPal and fast delivery. Okay, this is the research. Strategy. How are you gonna implement that strategy? Whether they are inside your neighborhood or outside neighborhood, how are you gonna handle the logistics of moving your marketing and sales cohesively? That's the thing. Execution, who is gonna do that? Do you have the human resource or the budget or the apps or the plugins, extensions, necessary time to meet the timeline to deliver? Execution. You have someone who can do batch processing, do 1 week worth of work in 1 day through some cron jobs or whatever. Execution. Report. Do you have Google Analytics or Pivot or Hotjar, or you do it manually? Do you track where they came from, which page they visited, which type of watermelons they are most interested in, or they are looking for durian or something else? Report. Maintenance, again, it's about maintaining all your online presence about your watermelon store, website, blog, whatever. It is about landing page optimization, conversion rate optimization, SEO, SEM, social media, content marketing, your visuals. Even your support is a part of it, but we are talking about marketing only, so we will not go into that. But maintenance, basically. Taking feedback about your campaigns and how they are progressing, and then implementing it, whether it is about tweaking, optimizing, or introducing something new. Strategy, execution, report, and maintenance, it is part of AIDA. Attention, interest, decision, action. Attention. So you watched our watermelon ad, but I see that you did not buy it. Interest. Why are you not interested in these watermelons? Should I lower the price? Should I increase the size? Decision. Okay, so you cannot buy online through PayPal or credit or whatever. Do you want to offer cash or whatever? Action. Okay, so you want to buy every day, but you want a membership monthly or 1 ton every year. Action. So this is the basic but complete marketing. You can manually do it, you can automate it to an extent though, but this is how it is. Hope you like it.